Hello everyone, welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're taking a look into Eurusd. So what we were mentioning from last week was price to continuate and to push lower. Those continuations were effective. As we can see, price has made that recovery straight away from this drop off in the market. So what we're going to be looking at now is potential retests and continuation moves towards the upside. And as we can see, price is slowly stepping up ever so nicely here. So as we can see, price is making our way to 1.2. So let me just go ahead and change this color. So what we can see here is just 1.17. This is where price reversed. So this is technically our reversal point into the market. Sorry, excuse me. So yeah, so we're seeing this as a very key level in the market, 1.17, nicely lining up with a psychological level. We can see that prices returned and we're seeing some bullish activity here. So what we're going to be looking out for here is just simply a very nice and easy retest into the market. Now, whether price starts to dip heavily, if we get a really deep retracement, that's totally up to the market. But essentially what we're going to be waiting for is that retest at some point, and we're going to wait for that continuation towards the upside. So what we're going to then look out for is just to see how strong this push towards the upside is. I do doubt that we can push higher than 1.235. So for me, as we did mention previous a few weeks ago with Eurusd, we're still looking for price to make its way lower. So we could still potentially keep in mind, just in the long run, that we're going to be looking to target 1.16, and that's only if we can see some rejection towards the upside zones. And if we do get that rejection, look at this free fall that we're going to anticipate potentially here, which is just over 500 pips. So huge profits up for grabs here. And if this long-term play does play out well, then I'll be very excited to partake into the market here. And again, like I was saying, this is only valid as long as price stays below this level, so 1.235. I'm seeing that price still has the capability to turn over towards the downside. So this is just a futuristic projection, and it's quite optimistic. I do know and I do understand that. I will just remove it for now, but we can look into this in the future. And I guess now that you know where I'm projecting and where my thoughts are for this pair, you can see that if you were to hold some of these profits, just be mindful that you could see some sort of reaction around this zone, so 1.225 to 1.22. And yeah, we'll see how price performs over the next few days or so. So that'll be all from us. If you haven't done so already, make sure you've joined our trading group. That link is in the description below. If you do have any other questions, feel free to let me know. I'm more than happy to help you guys, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for listening, guys, and we'll see you all in our next video.